Students, today we will do quick revision of these known standard units which are mentioned in your book, and we will solve the book exercise also by solving it. Okay, so now we will start it. What is the first exercise? Use your pencil to measure the length of your desk and teacher's table. So you have to measure your desk. If you have small table at your home, then you can measure it with that also. So today I have this type of new pencil, and I will take help of this pencil to measure the desk and table. Okay, now watch it. Now students, I will show you how to take the measurement of desk and table. Okay, so desk is not available at home, so what I will do here, desk is almost small in length from teacher's table, so I will show you how to take the measurement of desk and table. Now look here, I have this pencil and I will take help of this pencil to take the measurement of it. Look here. Now firstly, place your pencil on your this desk, and look here, I have taken measurement. Now I will mark it with this white chalk. What is the length here? Now I will place this pencil again from where I have marked already. I place it here from again. Now place it again. Two pencils. Now again place it this pencil and this is your desk. So what is the length of this desk? 3 pencils. Okay, now we have to find out the teacher's table length. Now place it again. 1, 2 pencil, 3 pencil, 4 pencil, again mark it, and 5. Okay, so teacher's table's length is 5 pencil here. It can be bigger also, so here we will write here 5 pencil. Okay, now students, length of the desk is 3 pencils. Length of the teacher's table is 5 pencils, because I have here 5 pencils length. So the dash is longer than the dash. What is longer here? Teacher's table. Now we have to find out here which is the heavier pen and which is the lighter pen. What is here? We can measure and compare weights using a balance. The pen with the heavier weight goes down. When the weights are the same, the two pens balance. जब अगर किसी पेन में ज़्यादा भार होगा तो वो हमेशा नीचे जाता है, और अगर दोनों में इक्वल होगा तो दोनों बराबर रहते हैं. तो हमें यहाँ पर फाइंड करना है which is heavier here. So put a tick right for the heavier pen. Which is heavier here? Because it is going downside and it is moving to upper side, so it is heavier, so we will put the tick mark here. Okay, now put a tick right for the lighter pen. Which is the lighter pen here? You can see here which is downside and which is going to upper side. How to find out? We will draw a line to show the heavier or lighter things. We will find out here this pen is heavier and this is lighter, so put a tick for the lighter pen. So we will put the tick mark here for lighter pen. The jug can hold the dash glasses of water. एक जग में कितने ग्लास पानी आ सकता है? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we will write here? 7 glass of water. 3 glasses equal 1 bottle. The bottle can hold 3 glasses of water. So the capacity of the dash is more than the capacity of dash. Which thing's capacity is more, jug or bottle? Yes, obviously jug, because there are 7 glasses capacity and a bottle have 3 glasses capacity. Okay, in this way we will write it. Now look here, measurement of length. When Minu and Sitara measured the length of their desk with a pencil, they found they did not get the same length. Minu said the desk was 6 pencils long and Sitara said it was 8 pencils long. It may be different at different places, so it is not fixed size. Why did this happen? It was because the pencils used by Minu and Sitara did not have the same length. मीनू की पेंसिल की लेंथ अलग थी और उसकी सितारा की पेंसिल की लेंथ अलग थी. नाउ द सेम थिंग वुड हैपन इफ द लेंथ इज मेजर्ड बाय द हैंड स्पैन और अ फुट स्टेप. These are also non-standard units. I've already discussed about that. What are the non-standard units? Hand span, foot step. These are differ from person to person because small child's hand will be small and younger person's hand will be bigger in size. Okay. Now look here. This is the hand span. When you will open your hand in this way, so you have to find out the distance between thumb and this small finger. This distance is called hand span by outstretched hand. And this is the foot step from tip of the toe to the foot heel of the foot. This distance is called foot step. The lengths of these units are differ for different people. To measure length correctly, we use fixed measures which are centimeters. Small lengths, सेंटीमीटर किसके लिए होता है? स्मॉलर लेंथ के लिए, जो छोटी चीजें हमें मेजर करनी होती हैं. एंड द मीटर्स फॉर बिगर लेंथ्स. और मीटर किसके लिए होता है? जो बड़ी चीजों को हमें मेजर करना होता है. सेंटीमीटर्स एंड मीटर्स आर स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ. सेंटीमीटर और मीटर क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स हैं, क्योंकि ये हमें फिक्स मेजर्स बताते हैं कि किस चीज की लंबाई प्रॉपर और करेक्ट कितनी है. Okay, now look here. This is the ruler you have already in your bag also. I will show you this type of ruler. Now students, look here. This is the ruler. आप इसे स्केल भी बोलते हैं. ये देखिए, इसमें ये सेंटीमीटर पॉइंट्स बने हुए हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 30 centimeter. Length of it's a 30 centimeter long scale. Okay, but mostly you have only 15 centimeter long scale in your bag. Now I will show you how to measure the book length with the help of this scale. In this way you can measure the length of a book because it is small length. Now I will show you Now measure the length of a cloth because it is so lengthy. So which measurement is used to measure the length of cloth? This type of inchy tape. It is already at your home also. Your mother have this to measure the length of a piece of a cloth. Now I will show you which inchy tape is used here to measure the length of a wall also. To measure the length of a wall or a door, we mostly use this type of inchy tape. Okay, look here, this type of inchy tape. These are used to measure the lengthy things. Okay, now we will talk about centimeter. what is here? A ruler has centimeter marks on one side. Okay. You have small scale at home, so that is 15 centimeter long. These are centimeters. 0 to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So, the ruler is 15 centimeter long. We write centimeter as cm. Now, I will show you how to place the ruler to draw the line. Now students, look here, I have drawn a diagram of this ruler and I will show you which numbers are called centimeter and which are millimeter. Now look here, from 0 these points are starting and how many lines between them? 9, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 10th line is at 1. So it is completing 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter after 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, then at 10 number 2 centimeter. So how much gap is between them? 10 mm from 1 centimeter to other centimeter. Okay, when you will draw the line, you have to start the line from 0 point. From here you have to place your scale, then you have to draw the line. Okay, 1 meter equal how many centimeter there? 100 centimeter. I will show you. Look there.